Marhaba, Ahlan wa sahlan. This is Miss T with you, and today we're going to continue our basic Arabic tutorial lesson number 4. For today's lesson, we're going to be learning about the basic words in Arabic related to food and dining. So let's begin. Let's start with the utensils or mga kubiertos na ginagamit sa pagkain or when dining. Spoon or kutsara is called malaka. Malaka. Fork or tinidor is called shoke. Shoke. Knife or cuchillo is called sikin. Sikin. Plate or plato is called sahan. Sahan. Cup or glass or tasa, they call it kub. Kub. So let's start with the food. For fish or isda, it is called samak. Samak. Or in GCC, they say samach. Samach. Shrimp or hipon is called rubyan. Rubyan. Meat or carne is called laham. Laham. Egg or itlog is called bayd. Bayd. Chicken or manok is called diyay. Diyay. That's more or less for the GCC, and for the non-GCC countries, they say dijaj. Dijaj. So, diyay and dijaj, they are the same thing. For bread or tinapay, they say kubs. Kubs. Doon naman sa tinapay like yung burger bun, they say samun. Samun. Rice or kanin is called ruz. Ruz. Some people pronounce it riz. Riz. And the GCC, they say ish. Ish. For the grilled meat, they say mafroom. Mafroom. So, when they say laham mafroom, it's called minced meat. Laham mafroom. Mafroom is minced. Okay, let's go with the parang food type. When you say boiled or nilaga, it is called masluk in Arabic. Masluk, that's boiled or nilaga. For grilled or inihaw, they say mashwi. Mashwi or mushawi. Mushawi. For fried or prito, it is called mugli. Mugli. Some people pronounce it makli. Makli. They are the same. It's prito. So, fish, let's say fish, it's samak. And you want to say fried fish, you say samak mugli. And if you want to say grilled fish, you say samak mashwi. Mashwi is grilled. And French fries or chips, that's potato is what batata. From previous lessons, potato is batata. So batata mugli, that's fried potato. So let's go on with the other words or items related to food, such as yogurt, which is very common here in the Middle East. Yogurt is laban. Laban. Milk or gatas is halib. Halib. May or water or tubig is called may. May or moya. Moya. Juice is called asir. Asir. Oil or mantika is called zait. Zait. Olive oil is zait zaytun. Zait zaytun, because olive is zaytun. Zait is oil. Olive oil is zait, zaytun. Butter or mantikilya is called zabd. Zabd. Salt or asin is called milh. Milh. Sugar or asukal is called sukar. Sukar. Black pepper or paminta is called filfil aswad. Filfil aswad. Tea or cha is called shai. Shai. Green tea is called shai akdar. Shai akdar. Red tea is called shai ahmar. Shai ahmar. Coffee is called kawa. Kawa. Or awa. Awa. It's the same. Some people say it also gawa. Gawa. It refers to coffee. And for the dessert or matamis, they say halawa. Halawa. Fruits from the previous lesson is called fuwak. Fuwak. And vegetables is kodar or kodra. Kodar or kodra. Kitchen is matbak in Arabic. Matbak. 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 The cook is called tabak. Tabak. Agahan is called asha. Asha, that's breakfast, or agahan is called asha. Asha. Lunch or tanghalian is called gada. Gada. Dinner or hapunan is called futur. Futur. So that's it, guys, for the basic Arabic words related to dining. If you have other words that you want to learn, just comment them down below so I can search for you guys, or I can teach you what it is called in Arabic. And as a bonus, like always, I'll be teaching you some extra Arabic words and phrases. Just random, yung mga words na you can commonly hear around you and you can practice kasi mga sinasabi sila on a regular basis. So, for the first word, I think I haven't taught you shufi. Shufi, it's something that you hear all the time. Shu is what? Fi is basically available. So, shufi or have. Shufi, what do you have? Or what is there? Normally, you hear people saying this, Arabic people saying this, even non-Arabic people say this because it's so easy to say. Shufi, when you see your colleagues like looking depressed or upset, they will say, Shufi, parang, what's up? What is there? You will see this in the supermarket, or you will hear this in the supermarket, or in the restaurant. Kung nandun kayo with your Arabic colleagues or with your bosses, they will ask the waiter or the people working in the restaurant, Shufi. They are asking, what do you have? Or they also say, Shu andak, what do you have? What is available? It's the same thing. And they will answer, maybe you will hear Mafi. Mafi means there's nothing or nothing. So when your colleague asks you Shufi and there's really nothing, you just tell them Mafi or Mafi. Okay, money. Money or pera? What do you call it in Arabic? Money or pera is fulus. Fulus. Some people also say masari. Masari. It's the same. So you say, mafi fulus. No money. Mafi masari. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get updates on our latest videos. Bye guys, Maasalama, shukran!